Hey guys, it's Matt, and I just wanted to show you how the profile section works in our platform for NFT traders. So you just click on your profile icon up here to get your profile, and here you have a sort of recap stats of your profile, what went down in terms of transaction, realized P&L, etc. Under here you have all your NFTs that you can even smart list, as you can see the feature that pops up here. Smart listing is a feature that lets you list your NFTs in a fast way at a preset price that you've set previously in your settings up here. So this is the smart list settings. Always make sure you activate these and set these however you desire before using the smart list feature. Then you can of course bulk list transfer. You have a bunch of different things you can do here. Of course, you can go into your NFTs, you can sell, and you have different marketplaces here. You can transfer the NFT, refresh metadata. You have your standard NFT page as you would have in any other marketplace, which is convenient for NFT traders, so you don't have to use other marketplaces as well other than our platform. Then we have an activity section with a bunch of different filters such as sales, listings, mints, burn, etc. We can filter by date, addresses, price, collection, marketplace, token ID, bunch of different things. And then we have a recap stats profile section where we can see our NFT distribution, our traded distribution of all the different trades we made. For example, we can set max price, time frame, and here we have all the different trades we made. And then underneath we have a chart where we can see all our realized collection gains that we can filter for a bunch of different things such as realized gains, bought count, bought price, etc. And so yeah guys, if anyone wants to try this, we have a free trial going on right now. Just go to the app.wagmilabs.tools and scroll down. You can find a 7-day free trial right here. Can't wait to see you guys in.